Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to see how to install MySQL in your PC. Friends, this video is particularly for those who want to learn MySQL and practice MySQL. Before going to start practicing MySQL, you need MySQL development environment. For this, you need to go to browser and search MySQL installer. When you search MySQL installer, you can see the link that will appear in the first in the search results. That is download MySQL installer. Just click on the link. Yes, now you can see the two download buttons. One is 2.3 MB size and another one is 470 MB size. You need to click on the second one, which is 470 MB size. I just clicked on. Where you can see another page. It will be redirected to another page where you can see login and sign up. Actually, you don't need to log in or sign up. You just click below link which is showing no thanks, just start my download. Just click on that link and you can see your file is being downloaded. Okay friends, this is the process how to download MySQL installer. Then the next step is how to install MySQL in our PC. Now we will see how to install MySQL in our PC. I have downloaded already MySQL installer into my PC. Now I'm going to click on this installer. It will take a few more minutes to complete entire installation process. Please be patient. Now you can see the MySQL installer window where you can see developer default, which is a selected default. You no need to change anything here. You just click next, another time next. If you see any warning or anything, you just click yes. You can see the file is ready to install. Now you need to click the button execute. Friends, it will take a few more minutes to complete entire installation process. You need to be patient. It will depends upon your system configuration. Yes, I will meet you after finishing entire installation process. Okay friends, now everything is finished. Now we need to click next once again. Next, next, next. Here you need to give admin password. In this, I'm just putting MySQL as my root password. I'm giving another time MySQL, which you need to remember. Click yes, yes, execute, finish. Another time, click next, finish, next. Here you need to give your root password which you created earlier. I just created my password as MySQL. You need to click the button check. It will, you can see the connection is succeeded. It means you put right password. Then you need to click next, execute. Now you need to click execute button. Finish. Now you need to click next, finish. Okay friends, now everything is fine. MySQL is installed in your PC. Here you can see the command line. You just click close button, just close it. Now we don't need that right now. Now you can see welcome to my SQL workbench. Here you can see the local instance. Now you need to click on the plus button. Just type local instance and go to store in vault where you need to type your root password MySql which you created earlier. Now click on test connection. Will show successfully made the MySql connection. Then you need to click on OK. OK. Okay, now you can see local instance is created in your MySQL Workbench environment. Now you need to click on local instance. Here you can see the window. It is now it is everything is ready to practice MySQL queries. As a beginner, you can practice. And if you like my video, you please subscribe to my channel.